So you can make free USDT trading gold on Bybit. Welcome guys to this video. I'm going to walk you through the steps and how you can make free USDT or get free USDT airdrops trading gold on Bybit. Now this particular event just kicked off yesterday and it's going to end on the 2nd of December 2025. So what you want to do right now, guys, is check the link below this video and sign up on Bybit so that you get into this offer. So basically, what this is all about is that you trade gold on Bybit and you earn free USDT. All right, you earn from this price pool, which is 100,000 dollar US, 100,000 USDT, and this is going to depend on your trading volume, right? So the very first thing you want to do after you've signed up, right, is that when you go to your trade, now if you are on the Bybit app, it is still the same thing. If you go to the trade icon or the trade button, then you are going to navigate all the way to sports. Now once you go to sports, you are going to see search for XAU. Now once you search for XAU, right, there are three versions of gold on Bybit, right? There's a sports, then there's derivative, which is normal futures, just like you have the BTC USD in futures. Then we have the CFD, which is under the Tradify platform, still on Bybit. So, but the one you're going to be trading, right, is a spot. So once you are trading, once you start trading, right, depending on your trading volume at the end of the event, right, you're going to be given free USDT. Now there are also some conditions. Number one condition also that I want to point out is that you will need to do your KYC level 1. And level 1 simply means you just uploading any government issued document, let's say driver license or passports or NIN. For me, I think I used my BVN or NIN or something like that. Like if you're in Nigeria, right, then that's your KYC level 1. So once you are done with KYC level 1, then you are eligible. So once you head over to once you get to your Bybit, you check the notification sign, you're going to see this particular event. It just started yesterday. So once you go to there, then you click on register. Then the next thing for you to do is for you to complete the task, all right, start trading. Now you don't necessarily need to over trade, you just have to do what you do best or what you love then, which is trading. And if you trade good, just do your trading normally. Now the minimum trade volume is 500 USDT. Now mind you, Mind you, this does not mean that you must have up to 500 USDT in your account before you start trading. If you have $100, if you take 5 trades, whether it's buy or sell, with let's say $100 volume, right? It's still the same thing with this 500 USDT. So you must know it's not a must you have up to 500 USDT before you can participate in this. What they're talking about is the trade volume. So let's say, for example, you have, let me say you have $50, for example, in your account, right? And you take like 10 trades in which your equity for that particular trade is 50 USD, then you have already gotten up to 500 USDT worth of trade. And make sure, guys, that it is on spots, right? Like I showed you, it is on spots. So you are not trading. This is if you trade this if you trade the derivative, it does not count. If you trade trade fine, it does not count in this particular event or in this particular giveaway or airdrop. So you want to make sure you are trading that which is on that spot over here. So this is something that you can do, and you can earn up to 800 USDT, right? And as you can see over here, say that the final allocation is equal to your trading volume divided by the total volume of all participants. Now, another thing I also want to point out in this offer is that you must register for the event, all right, before the end date. So if you're watching this video right now, check the link below this video, then sign up for Bybit. Go to your Bybit app or the Bybit website, then go to your notification, guys. You will see this particular event over here. Then just click on register and participate, and have at least 500 USD minimum trade volume. Like I said, you don't need to have up to $500 in your account. You just need to have placed a volume that is above 500 USDT worth of XAUT on spot, then you automatically qualify for this particular offer. Now, another thing I also want to point out here is that Now, if you, as you can see over here, it says that the eligible users will receive the rewards in batches before the event. And so some people are going to start getting their reward right even before the event is over. Then there's something I also want to show you guys here. It said that in terms of countries, so there are countries that cannot participate in this. And so before you get started, you want to check this number 6 over here and look at this area and see if your country is here. Now, if your country is here, like say US or United Kingdom, then you might not be able to participate in it. But if you are from let's say Nigeria, which is my country, then you're actually or you're qualified for this particular offer. So you can go ahead, sign up Bybit using my link, then you get into this offer. Now remember, guys, that I'm also giving out free data subscriptions to anyone, to those using my link to sign up on Bybit. All right, so you might also want to take that offer too. So this is actually a very good opportunity for those who trade gold that want to earn, passive USDT, doing what they love doing best, which is trading good. And one thing that's also good about this is that if you make profits and you are placing your next trade again, right, you are increasing your volume automatically. So let's say, for example, the first trade you placed, you took, let's say, $100 worth of position, right, on sports, and gold goes up. Now gold goes up and you earn, let's say, $50, for example. Now you are now making extra, in your next trade you're no longer placing $100, you're now placing $150 worth of volume. So that's to also count. So guys, take advantage of this offer if you trade gold, or if you love trading gold, or if you're on Bybit already and you want to give this a try, then go ahead using the link in the description. All right, take care, guys, and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.